Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 17, quotes and quotes. Here, what is the meaning of quotes? Quotes means to repeat exactly something that somebody else has said or written before. Okay, let's start. Inspirational and motivational quotes. Inspirational means a sudden good idea, and motivational means providing with a reason to act in a certain way. Quotes have an amazing means surprised, ability to change the way we feel about life. Words spoken by some great personalities are still remembered by the people even today. Match the quotations with their speakers. Students, here we have some quotation. We have to match them with their speakers. Okay, now let's begin. First one is, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Okay, here the meaning of this quotation is, यदि आप उड़ नहीं सकते तो दौड़ें, यदि दौड़ नहीं सकते तो चलें, यदि चल भी नहीं सकते तो रेंगते हुए चलें, लेकिन हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहें. ओके, एंड who is the speaker of this quotation? Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King. Okay, K is our answer. Now second one, let us never negotiate. Here negotiate means to talk to somebody in order to decide or agree about something out of fear, but let us never fear to negotiate. What is the meaning of this quotation? हमें कभी भी डर से बातचीत नहीं करनी चाहिए, लेकिन हमें बातचीत करने से डरना भी नहीं चाहिए. ओके, एंड दिस quotation is given by the speaker of this quotation is John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy. Now third one, the valiant never taste of death but once. Okay, and the meaning of this quotation is, डरपोक अपनी मृत्यु से पहले कई बार मरते हैं, बहादुर केवल एक बार मरते हैं. ओके, एंड हियर द quotation is given by the speaker of this quotation is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, F. Okay, now fourth one, of all the animals, the boy is the most unmanageable. Okay, here unmanageable means difficult or impossible to control. Okay, and the meaning of this quotation is, सभी जानवरों में से लड़का सबसे असहनीय है. Okay, now and this quotation is given by Plato. Okay, the speaker of this quotation is Plato. Okay, now next one, fifth. It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Okay, here the meaning is, यह जीवित रहने वाली प्रजातियों में से सबसे मजबूत नहीं है, न ही बुद्धिमान है, लेकिन बदलने के लिए सबसे अधिक संवेदनशील है. ओके, द मीनिंग बिहाइंड दिस कोटेशन इज, we have to adjust best to the changing environment and conditions or situations. Okay, and this quotation is given by Charles Darwin. Okay, the speaker of this quotation is Charles Darwin. Next is sixth. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Okay, meaning is जीवन में कई असफल लोग हैं जिन्हें यह एहसास नहीं था कि जब उन्होंने हार मान ली वे सफलता के कितने करीब थे. Okay, and who is the speaker of this quotation? Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. A is the answer. Okay, now seventh one. Who lives if India dies? Who dies if India lives? Okay, and the meaning is यदि भारत मरता है तो कौन रहता है? जीवित रहता है. यदि भारत जीवित रहता है तो कौन मरता है? Okay, and who is the speaker of this quotation? Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, B is the correct answer. Now eighth one. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Okay, who is the meaning is यदि आप गर्मी में खड़े नहीं रह सकते या गर्मी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते तो आपको रसोई घर से बाहर निकल जाना चाहिए. ओके, रसोई घर से बाहर निकल जाना चाहिए. मीन्स यदि तनाव या दबाव बहुत अधिक है तो हमें उसे वहीं छोड़ देना चाहिए. ओके, सो हियर who is the speaker of this quotation? Harry Truman. Harry Truman. Okay, here the answer is G. Now ninth one. Keep your face to the sunshine and you can never see the shadow. And the meaning is अपना चेहरा धूप की तरफ रखकर आप अपनी परछाई नहीं देख सकते. Students, here sunshine means success. Okay, when you should walk into the sunshine means success, and let your shadow means sadness fall behind. Okay, student, and who is the speaker of this quotation? Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Okay, and here the answer is D. Okay, now 10th one. The nation that destroys its soil destroys itself. What is the meaning of this quotation? जो राष्ट्र अपनी मिट्टी को नष्ट करता है वो खुद ही नष्ट हो जाता है. Okay, and who is the speaker of this quotation? Franklin Roosevelt. Franklin Roosevelt. Okay, L is the answer. Okay, now 11th one. There is no instinct. What is the meaning of instinct here? The way people or animals naturally react or behave. Naturally react or behave. So there is no instinct like that of the heart. Okay, and the meaning is दिल की तरह कोई सहज ज्ञान नहीं है. दिल की तरह कोई सहज ज्ञान नहीं है मतलब अपने मन की तरह कोई सहज ज्ञान नहीं है. ओके, एंड द कोटेशन इज गिवन बाय here the answer is Lord Byron. Okay, H is the answer, Lord Byron. Now 12th one. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to give forever. Okay, and the meaning of this thought is, this quotation is, ऐसे जियो जैसे कि तुम कल मरने वाले हो और सीखो ऐसे कि आप हमेशा के लिए देने वाले हो. And who is the speaker of this quotation? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, 13th one. To travel hopefully is better than to arrive. What is the meaning? उम्मीद की यात्रा करना आने से बेहतर है. उम्मीद की यात्रा करना आने से बेहतर है. So here the speaker of this quotation is R.L. Stevenson. J.R.L. Stevenson. Okay, J is the correct answer. Now 14th one. Only I can change my life. No one can do it for me. Okay, what is the meaning? केवल मैं अपना जीवन बदल सकती हूँ. यह कोई मेरे लिए नहीं कर सकता. Okay, and the quotation is given by Carol Burnett. Carol Burnett. Okay, now let's move to our next lesson. Lesson number 18, finding words. Lesson number 18, finding words. There are some names given below. Each one of them has a word that matches the clue given along with hidden in it. To find the word, cross extra letters. Cross extra letters for finding the word from the name given. Okay, one is done for you. Here first one is ear. Okay, and the clue is our sense organ. So our sense organ is ear. E-A-R, ear. Now second one, here word is given and the clue is a buzzing insect. Okay, which insect is known as a buzzing insect? Bee. B-E-E, Now third one is, the clue is door opener. Okay, so door opener is K-E-Y, key. Key. Okay, key is the door opener. Now fourth one, here clue is sound made by a cow. Sound made by a cow is M-O-O, moo. Okay, we cross the extra letters. M-O-O, moo. Okay, now fifth one is not bright. Not bright means dark. So here dark. D-A-R-K, dark. Okay, now sixth one, queen of beverages. Which is known as queen of beverages? Here tea. T-E-A, is known as queen of beverages. Okay, now seventh one is a graceful bird. Okay, which bird is a graceful bird? Swan. Okay, S-W-A-N, swan. We write here. Okay, the spelling of swan. Now eighth one, the clue is a large furry animal. So which animal is a large furry animal? Bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Okay, now ninth one, where your palm is. Okay, our palm is in our hand. H-A-N-D, hand is in our hand. It is known as palm, right? Now 10th one is identical. Okay, surname is our identity. Okay, surname is our identity. So S-U-R-N-A-M-E, surname. Okay, now 11th one, the clue is without hair. Without hair means a person without hair is known as bald. B-A-L-D. Okay, B-A-L-D, bald. Now 12th one, here clue is master organ of the body. Which organ is known as master organ of the body? Brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Okay, now 13th one, our national animal. Which is our national animal? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, now 14th is, the clue is type of a fish. Here tuna. T-U-N-A. Tuna is a type of a fish. Now 15th is a body part. Okay, a body part. Clue is a body part. F-A-C-E, face. Face is our body part. Okay, so here the answer is face. Okay students, thank you for watching video.